basically shooting for a brand, and it's one of my favorite brands of one of my favorite people. And I'm really glad that I'm doing it in this pandemic time when people are actually searching for work. So I'm lucky that I'm able to do this. And I just wanted to like share with you guys how home shoots happen. And this is Vishwam. Vishwam, come in the frame. Hi. So he's from Kandivli and he's come all the way. How did you come here? To let them know so that they know it is real, like the whole
So it was
thing.
very difficult. I had to take a cab first of all. So there are like 2-3 police checkpoints, okay, and they stopped me like 2 times. So it was very difficult and it is difficult to shoot with gloves, mask. It is very difficult.
Yeah.
So it is a challenge, and there's no work right now.
But I'm really grateful you came so
Yeah.
far with all the risk. And he came by Ola actually.
Yeah.
So that is one of the safest things I think. And if you're a photographer, make sure that you're wearing your mask and gloves like he is. And thank you so much for being here. So that's the point. So, I believe that if you want to work, there is some or the other way that is figured out by the universe, and you just end up meeting people or getting some ways out of your struggle. So maybe this was one of the days when I was really lucky and happy shooting at home. Also, my family is really supportive. They're outside. This is my room, so this is kind of my studio. This is the wall where I usually shoot. And yeah, so this is the setup. I kind of showed it to you. I'm going to be talking more about how other shoots work where I have to move. So this is just a steady shoot where I'm doing more beauty shots. So it's kind of easy. But there are sometimes shoots where I have to go into other rooms, and people think it's very easy. And इसकी family कहाँ है, घर पे कोई नहीं रहता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There are people in my house who really cooperate, and my mom's really like helpful. She helps me out with the silence and everything. So yeah, that's also a very big part of you shooting at home. Also, they kind of see how you're working. So maybe next time when you're late or when you're getting ready and going out, they kind of get accustomed to your work style. So next time I think so. I really like this whole setup happening so that they can see how work happens. So you want the product also, right?
Yeah, we take without product.
Okay.
This is a little
Yeah.
Should I take less of the lyrics now?
Yeah, more tight, I think. Without the product.
Yeah. Take straight. She had like this one.
Okay.
So we take it a little wider on my room.
What did she say?
Right now she hasn't replied anytime.
Okay.
But just in she had told that this angle is better. Like this frame is better.
Yeah, but she doesn't want hair on the face, right?
Yeah.
So we'll put the hair back and then take like that.
Okay, let's try it with the product.
Okay.
I've taken tighter shots, so I'll try it.
Yeah. But do you want me to like apply?
Yeah, I think you can just. What is it like? They can hold it like this also. You can try that also.
ठीक है.
Then it should be seen. No?
Yeah. Just tell me, yeah.
But you know, like it has to be in focus. The whole thing.
Take one without focus, with focus, eyebrow in focus.
Okay, I'll do that.
No, this is too much. This is too much.
Space.
Yeah.
Like the product is also making.
Yeah, it's okay if you cut my neck and all that, but make sure that the product is seen. So you can go tighter on the product. Let's see. You can send her this. You can send with
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So, जो she select, we can go ahead with.
But you need to show the whole thing. The frame is going to be wider.
No, I can hold it in a way where it's closer to the.
Yeah, that's fine. Because this is
Yeah.
like
ये तो हो रहा था उस दिन. I know.
बहुत extra space
हाँ,
है
हाँ,
वहाँ पे. Hold it like this. You know the only problem is the name isn't in focus.
Yeah.
And still it is.
I think she'll be okay with it because last time she didn't want the name to be focused. She just wanted eyebrows to be seen.
So that is fine.
But you have to ask her before finalizing कि this is fine. You have to ask her.
A little bit.
What was that? Anyway, so I finally got done with the shoot and I am in my elements again, and I'm so happy that I am back to my face and my hair. I took a shower and now I'm fine. Actually, it's not that I don't like to be in that avatar. It's just that it feels so relaxed when you're just done with the, when you hear the word back up. And yeah, finally we got done with it, and it was an amazing shoot. I really loved doing this. I would love to do this more actually, because quarantine even got me to do something new, something like this. So I got a new perspective that okay, work can be done from home even in this industry, and even when you're a model. So for brands, you can just plan your content very smartly, and you need to understand what kind of dynamics you want to be able to look at when you're shooting in this tiny space where you're limited to certain things, right? Like the space is limited, people are supposed to be limited, makeup and hair is supposed to be done by you. So I kind of loved it because it was a challenge, and likewise I would like you all to try something out like that when it comes to your skills and your potential. So I don't know if you are into industry or you're into photography or any skill for that matter. I mean, most of the people are working from home because it's a laptop job, but when it comes to field work, it's really difficult to work in a tiny space, right? When you're doing something like creating, and there is a requirement of a lot of big things like lights and other setup. So if you also belong to the industry, I challenge you to do something like that, maybe a home photo shoot or a home video shoot, and just create it for yourself and just look at how your own skills can come into use for such a beautiful cause. I mean, you can create content from home, and there is literally no issue when it comes to creating content. You can learn it, you can maybe teach yourself how to edit and how to put together a lot of other things. And the best part is, like, you can even show your family, and you know, your family comes to know how you actually work and what it takes you to go through that whole shoot. So when you actually are in front of them, you know, they learn even from your perspective, and so it just is a very beautiful thing, I feel. So yeah, that was my day, and I am so glad that you guys were here, whoever watched this video. I know there was a lot of like disturbance in the video because I was trying to take a video when I was shooting, because I had to do it in a specific limited time. So I tried to do it, but I am glad if you are here, and please do let me know if you want to see such videos again where I'm doing just like a day in my life vlog kind of a thing. But this was something I really wanted to share. Like, this thing does not happen usually. I have done this, I think, once before, but this was something which was awesome. Like, I wanted to share it with YouTube and with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right away, because it is completely free, yaar. Kar do yaar subscribe. Anyway, subscribe. So click the bell icon also, because when I put a video, you understand that I have put a video. If the ting sound comes on your phone, that's a notification. And do share it with your friends, and comment and subscribe, please.